Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the first of our site reviews that we're doing for 2025 and we're at Harbury Fields, aren't we?
We are, yes. We've come away with Alfie.
Yes, he's away getting a shower, so we thought we'd quickly record this while he was away. Now, we've been to Harbury Fields once before. When was it?
It's quite a few years ago. I think we're on our way to Dorset.
Yeah, it was quite a while ago, and we only stayed one night, but we thought, well, it's a really nice site, this, wouldn't mind coming back. So we've come down for a specific reason, really. We're taking Alfie to the British Motor Museum, and we also took an hour's drive up to the Black Country Museum with him, and he enjoyed both. So
he did, he really enjoyed it.
He was thrilled. Anyway, just have a quick look round the site. I've a few bits of video and footage for you to have a look at. So that was Harbury Fields. We're going to give it some points now based on what we've come across. And first of all was customer service. We're going to give that 5 because the lady in reception was absolutely brilliant, wasn't she?
Yeah, she was, and when everyone got, they've been very, very helpful. Yeah,
very friendly. So it gets 5. Now, in terms of the utilities, as in you've got pot washes, you've got the Elson points, and also the shower blocks.
You have three shower blocks. I think you and Alfie have been using one, and I've been using the family one, which has been great for me because it has it's all together. It's a cute shower, toilet, sink, and a chair. So it's made it easy for me to be able to get changed. So I really appreciated that.
I was just in individual cubicles, but I like the loos because they're not like the ones that you used to have at school, you know, where they were open at the top and open at the bottom. It's a full private place to use the facility. So we really were pleased with that. So that gets 5 as well, doesn't it?
Yes.
Then the next thing we're going to talk about is the pitches. The pitches here are very generous. There's quite a lot of space, more than enough for a large caravan and a full awning if you need it. And the grass areas separate them quite a lot, don't they?
And actually the caravans are quite very well spaced out, so it does feel really nice and spacious.
It does. So with that, we're going to give it 5 points for that.
We are.
And finally, we're going to talk about value for money. Now, we came the week before Easter week, and just for the weekend, and we thought it was quite expensive, but we did bring Alfie with us. Yes, they have fully serviced pitches, and no, you don't pay for additional electricity neither. So we're going to say 4 for this, for value for money.
I think we'll let people to be the judge of the price point, but from what we have paid and what we're paying this year, I would say it is quite expensive. But we did want to come near to the Motor Museum, so that's why we chose.
That's why we came here, because it's only 15 minutes down the road. But all in all, we were quite happy with our time here, weren't we?
We have. I think the only thing we would say is that it's not geared up to families. Children are very welcome, but there's no playground and there is limited for them things to do. So that would bear in mind if you're going to come as a family.
And the other thing I did notice, just to wrap up before we go, there wasn't many information leaflets on places to go and visit. We didn't. In fact, I didn't see any. I don't know if you picked up any.
No, I didn't pick any at this time, which is that's the only thing I'd say is that really did drop a little bit. Is because I do like to go into reception and pick up local leaflets and see what is there in the area. So perhaps that's something that they could
look at in the future.
Look at, yeah.
But all in all, we're quite happy. We're going home tomorrow. Apparently, it's forecast rain for tomorrow, so the canopy and all that's all already down. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.